Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create your first mobile application using Adobe. This is going to be a 5-minute tutorial in which we're going to download our tools and create our first Hello World application. Let's start by downloading the Adobe AIR SDK. This SDK allows us to compile the same code for Windows, Android, iOS, and OS X. We're going to use the Windows version and hit download. I already downloaded this. It's a 400 megabyte zip archive. Once it's downloaded, you should unzip it in your C drive. I put it in my c.air folder .24 beta. Second step is to download an IDE. We're going to use Flash Develop. This is a free IDE. Hit download and hit the setup. I downloaded this too, so I'm going to hit cancel and get it from my downloads folder. Double click it, wait for the setup, next, next, next. Okay, hit finish. Once it's installed, we can run it from our quick launch, or we can find it in the program files, x86, flash develop. When we run it, we're going to be prompted with the start page and an app man which allows for quick install of the Flash SDK. But since we already downloaded, we're going to close this window. Now from the projects tab, we can create a new project. We're going to select the AIR Mobile AS3 app and name it card game, which will be our second tutorial. We're going to put it on our desktop, hit OK. Card game 2. Hit OK. Enter our name here, because we're the ones who do this. And as soon as the project is created, we're going to get the project explorer tree with our main class. Now we have to set up a link to our downloaded SDK, and we do this by clicking the project properties, going to the SDK tab, hit manage, hit the little plus button and the dot button, add. Then we go to the path and we browse to where we save our SDK. I'm selecting my 24 beta. We can have multiple versions of the SDK. Okay. Close. Now my default SDK is the 24 SDK. I can go here and set 23. That's the maximum allowed here. And the final step is to put it also in our bat folder and set up SDK bat. These are some command line tools that Flash Develop uses. I'm gonna get the path from here, because I don't like to write it. Okay. Last step is to go to our application XML. This is the file that defines some application specific properties like its icons and its permissions, both for Android and iOS. And here in our first tag, we're gonna use the namespace of the 24. This will allow us to compile with the latest version of the SDK. Now, when we hit the test project, we should get the blank simulator. Okay, now we're gonna add a text field. We're gonna use the var to initiate the variable text, and it's gonna be of the type text field. New text field, text property. I'm gonna say hello Adobe, and then stage add child text. We can hit also F5 for a quick compile. And as you see now, this says in the top corner, hello Adobe. Oh, that's it. It's more than 5 minutes. Sorry for that. Let's stop